All right, number 2 is a little bit trickier because there's this minus sign out front that we got to deal with. So let's figure it out. So basically all that minus sign means is that's a -1 outside, and that you have to distribute it through before you combine any like terms. Okay, so let's do that. We have -1 times 14 is -14x squared. -1 times -2 is +2. Keep the x. -1 times 3 is -3. And now what we can do is we can bring down its partner and line up our like terms. So we got 4x squared minus 11x plus 2. And now we can combine like terms here. -14 plus 4 is -10x squared. 2 minus 11 is -9x. And -3 plus 2 is -1. And there's our final answer. All right, let's take a look at number 3. Okay, we have a mistake here. It says describe the mistake. All right, so let's see, 7, these are like terms, so I can combine them. So 7 plus 2 is 9, that checks out. Those stay the same. -3, whoa, let's see, that's an x squared and that's an x. So I should not get -8. So the mistake was they combined like terms when they should not have. Okay, and then the correct answer is just, all right, so these aren't like terms, so we leave it. So the 9x cubed is correct, but it should be -3x squared minus 5x minus 7 as the right answer. I'm sorry, not -7, -2 as the correct answer. Okay, so let's take a look at number 4. Okay, it says find the product. So what that means is we should have parentheses around here. It didn't copy over. But that means the product. We can do that in a variety of ways. We can do the FOIL method or we can do the box method. Let's do the box method. All right, so we got x minus 7, x plus 5. X times x is x squared. X times 5 is plus 5x. X times -7 is -7x. -7 times 5 is -35. All right, now we combine our like terms, which are right there. All right, and we get, so the x squared stays. -7 plus 5 is -2x, and then -35. And there's our answer. All right, let's take a look at number 5. Okay, again, parentheses, so let's try the FOIL method. So I'm going to take the first times the first term, firsts together, so that's x squared. Then we're going to multiply the first times the last, which is x times -5, which is -5x. Now we're going to do the inners, okay, x times 5x, or 5 times x is plus 5x. And now we're going to multiply the last together, which is plus 5 minus 5, which is -25. All right. Ooh, these give me a great big 0, so they go away. So I'm left with x squared minus 25. All right, let's take a look at number 6. Again, we should have parentheses here and there. So this one you can do in a variety of ways. You could do the box method, which I think is far easier. Or you can do just go by like this, 5x times 3x squared. All right, so that's 5 times 3 is 15. X times x squared is x cubed. 5 times 7 is 35. X times x is x squared. 5 times -5 is -25, and we keep the x. Now we go to my other set, okay, which is -2 times -3, which is -6x squared, so it's going to go right here under the other x squared. -2 times 7 is -14x. They line up. -2 times -5 is +10. Combine our like terms. 15x cubed. 35 minus 6 is plus 29x squared. -25 minus 14 is -39x. Bring down the plus 10. All right, let's take a look at the number 7 on this page. It says, write a polynomial expression that models the area of the square. So x times x, x squared. 5 times x is 5x. X times x is x squared. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times x is 5x. X times x, x squared. 5x. And x squared again. Now we combine like terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4x squareds. Plus, let's count the 5, 10, 15, 20. Plus 20x, and then plus 25. And there's the first page.